Producing team Tammy just texted me and said the iconic brand is the home for emoji, emoji.com.
So thank you, Tam.
That's the they. Hey, it's Try It Out Tuesday, and our Kyla Peoples joins us live from her home studio.
Good morning, friends. How are you all?
Good morning.
What's
great.
up? I miss you guys.
We miss you.
Yeah, absolutely. So you've discovered a gadget, Kyla, that may be a game changer for breakfast or brunch at home. What is it?
Well, anyone who knows me knows I love brunch, especially Eggs Benedict. It's my favorite, but I really am not good at making poached eggs. So I found this Nordic Ware egg poacher. It's supposed to poach 2 eggs perfectly in minutes. Does it work? Let's try it out.
After you put your raw eggs in, you're supposed to puncture the yolk. Put in a 1/2 teaspoon of water. You close the top and put it in the microwave for 45 seconds to 1 minute. And this is how it looks after 45 seconds.
I love me some poached eggs Benedict, spicy Bloody Mary. It makes me want to be at brunch right about now.
Me too.
Yeah, it looks like a legit poached egg. How was it?
Okay, so here's how I made it today. Whoop, it just fell.
That's awesome TV right there.
But this is how it looks inside. It's actually not quite poached. It's more of a over medium. I played with the timing because it says a minute or 2 to get it to be perfectly poached. I found the sweet spot was 48 seconds for 2.
48 seconds for 2 poached eggs, not over medium.
Correct. It's still a little bit more cooked than a poached egg, but I like mine a little bit more cooked. So it was perfect for me. I would suggest to try it out with different timing between the 45 and the 50 second
To find
range.
out what you like. Okay.
Correct.
So about how much does this thing cost?
Not that much. It's only $5. Not bad, considering, you're
Not
getting
bad
2
at
poached
all.
eggs.
Yeah, if you want to pony up another $15, you can go up to the rapid egg cooker with the dome and the little tray. Remember the one that I have and Tammy has?
I knew you were going to bring Jason was like, because of course mine makes the perfect poached egg.
I knew that too. I'm willing to test it out, try it out against your egg cooker, Jason.
Oh, you want to have a poached egg off?
Duel.
No, this is hilarious. Thank you so much, Kyla.
Thank you guys.
Poached Egg
Miss
Wars
you.
right here on Live in the Day. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.